Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Christina, and today I'm going to show you guys exactly how step by step how I do my no makeup look. When you don't have time to do your makeup, or you want a makeup look that looks extremely natural, you're not even wearing makeup, I'm going to walk you through step by step how I get my no makeup look. So let's get right into this video. It takes literally 5 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. It's very quick, very easy, and so let's get straight into it. First thing I always start with is primer. I use the Rare Beauty 4-in-1 Optimus primer. So I spray that basically from here to here. I don't do my neck because when I do my no makeup look, I don't put anything on my neck. The first makeup thing that I do is I put the Kosas concealer. I put the Kosas concealer on, and I just do a little under my eyes and right here, or cover any blemishes that I might have. But I don't go overboard with the concealer because we want as much natural look as we can get. Now I'm just going to blend that in with a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to use the setting powders from Rare Beauty in the shade Light to just set the concealer. And today I'm going to use the Rare Beauty liquid blush in shade Bliss. So that's the next thing that I do after I set the concealer. I put blush on. No contour, no bronzer, nothing. I go straight in with blush for that natural no makeup look. And I will say, with the Rare Beauty, you do not need much blush at all. Okay, then I blend it with the Heavily Luxe number 23 It brush. Really love how this brush blends in this blush so well. Then I'm going to use the rest of the setting powder that I have in here to just set the blush on my cheeks. Okay, then that's it for the powders. You can put them away. The next thing that I do is I use clear eyebrow gel. It's the Kelly Baker clear brow setting gel. And I just put that on my eyebrows to give me that natural look. It's very natural because there's no color to it, so it's just your natural brow, but it sets it. So I put that on my brows, so I'm gonna do that right now. See how it's just like your actual brow, but it's clear? So it just looks very natural. And for that no makeup look, we're trying to go as natural as we possibly can. So you just put the clear gel on, and then grab a spoolie. This one is, I don't know, it's rubbed off. I think it's from It, but I just brush through my eyebrows. Next thing that I do is I curl my lashes. I just bought this. It's a tweezer man, and I may have gotten it at like Target or Walmart or something. I really like it though. Today I have multiple mascaras that I use, but today I'm using the Merit. I'm going to use the Merit Volumizing, I think it's their volumizing mascara. So put this on. Then I'm just going to use some Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and I don't know the shade. Oh, Amber Sparkle. So I'm just going to put some of this on and one more step and we're done. Last step, we are going to use the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. So just spray that, and I'm only going to spray from here to here and like right here. I'm not going to spray here, and I'm not going to spray anywhere that I didn't use makeup. So that is all for my no makeup look. This is the final product of what it looks like. So I hope I was able to help you if you want to do a no makeup look to be able to do one. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment any other videos that you'd like to see, subscribe to my channel, and guys, we are so close to 500 subscribers. Let's see how fast we can get me to 500 subscribers. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed. I appreciate you so much. And make sure to click that notification bell so that you're notified every single time that I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.